everybody, and welcome to my online mathematics classes. Now today we have a question here saying that a traveling wave moving from left and right has an amplitude of 0.15 meter and a frequency of 550 Hz and a wavelength of 0.01 meter. Find the equation describing the wave. Imagine you come across such question in your JAMB or your WAEC. How can you approach fastly this question? This is a question that involves you thinking. Now you know that the equation of wave, progressive equation of wave, is a sine open bracket 2 pi ft all over. Sorry, the space is not enough. Y, my board is very small. Y is equal to a sine open bracket 2 pi x my 2 pi ft, sorry guys, 2 pi, pardon me, minus 2 pi x all over the wavelength. Do not be confused with this very big equation. This equation, as big as it is a very small equation. Y is equal to a sine open bracket 2 pi ft minus 2 pi x all over the wavelength. It's just a matter of you knowing what all these signs means. Now this a here means the amplitude. F here means the frequency. T here, time. Pi, all of us already know pi. We already know pi. 3.14 is a mathematical constant. And this here, and this sign here means the wave length. This x is just a parameter there. Now, since we already know what all these things means, as for our question, you can see that a traveling wave moving from left and right, sorry guys, pardon me, moving from left to right has an amplitude of 0.15 meter, a frequency of 550 Hz, and a wavelength of 0.01 meter. Find the equation describing this wave. Now from this equation, we will substitute the value of everything that we are given in this question into this equation. Maybe you are following me. Now let's substitute the value of everything that we are given in this question. Now in this question, we are told that a traveling wave moving from left to right has an amplitude of 0.15 meter. That means the amplitude is what? The amplitude A is what? 0.15 meter. 0.15 meter. Because of that amplitude, we're going to write 0.15 what? Meter. And what? At an amplitude of 0.15 meter, a frequency of 550 Hz. A frequency of 550 what? Hz. So we're going to write 550 Hz. 550 Hz. This is spelling for S. This is spelling for S. 550 Hz. Now the time, we're not giving time in our distance, so we're gonna just leave it as we're not gonna leave time as t. Our wavelength in this question is what? 0.01 meter. 0.01 meter. 0.01 meter. And our pi, we're not giving pi in this question, so we're gonna just leave pi as what? Honorary pi. I'm gonna write the sign like that. So now guys, I hope I'm being able to teach you this part very well. I want you to understand this part very well. Make sure you understand this part very well. So now we're going to substitute all these values into this equation. That is our main thing now. Now let's substitute all the values into the equation. Now that y is equal to our amplitude A is what? 0.15. 0.15. That sign does not mean anything. This sign here does not mean anything. Just write your sign. Sign. Open bracket. 2 pi. I think we have to clean at this moment. 2 pi. Our frequency is what? 550. 550. And our time, we are not giving our time, so we're going to write time as t. Minus 2 pi. We're not giving our pi, so we're going to write pi as what? Pi. X. Our x, we're not giving it. X is not a parameter. All of our wavelength is what? 0.01. 0.01. So now guys, let's do this together. Now, as you can see here guys, we are not going to leave this like this. I'm not going to leave this thing like this. We want to change this thing to a whole number. When I want to change this to a whole number, I'm going to divide 2 divided by 0.01. 2 divided by 0.01 is what? 200. That means I'm not writing this as this like this. I'm therefore writing it like, I'm not putting 2 here again. I'm putting 200 pi x. 200 pi x. 200 pi x. So guys, this is the equation of the motion. This is the equation of the motion. Any further factorization from here is a matter of what is in your option. Like in JAMB, they might factorize it further, but in theory aspect, they might not factorize it further. So this will be your final answer for the theory aspect. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like this video, share and comment. Now, in this kind of ways, and there might be the kind of thing now they'll take you to find the frequency, find the wavelength, find anything here. It's a very simple thing. I'm going to drop it in my next video. If you're interested in that, make sure you follow this page. Thank you.